If you guys think Teslas are cool, then you're gonna love this. You'll notice how nothing happens, my truck won't turn over. This new truck runs on air. I kid you not. Watch this. Just wait for this guy, it'll give you one beep, initializing. Second beep says blow. Just gonna blow as hard as you can until it beeps to stop, and then your tank is full. There we go. You say analyzing. Pass. Now this is the truck of the future. Now sometimes you'll have to add more air before reaching your destination, and it just beeps to let you know.